If you are trying to find a creative gift for your mom this Mother's Day, I'm going to show you a list of 5 things that you can actually make yourself and she will absolutely love them. Let's get started. Hey there, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. My name is Haley and on this channel we do all kinds of DIYs featuring lots of flowers and other natural materials. If you're new here, I would love to have you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you know every time I upload a new project. So let's get into these gift ideas for Mother's Day. For each of the ideas, I'm going to show a short clip and then the full version of the tutorial will be linked up in the corner so you can find it easily and get to the full tutorial for that project. This first gift idea is a DIY candle. Candles are super easy to make, and making them yourself, you can know all the ingredients that will be in them. Plus, you can customize them. There are so many different scents. I use essential oils to scent my candles, and that is just a great way to know they are less toxic than the ones you buy at the store. They're also pretty cheap. You can get a block of wax and just like 1 to 2 different essential oils, and they're very cost effective. You can use a mason jar, and they just look super cute. If you add a little bit of a ribbon around the rim and just you could tie on a note there, you can make it super cute, super simply. Just a really great, easy, and quick DIY present. And what mom doesn't love candles? For the second project, we have bath salts, and these are also super customizable. They only take a few ingredients, just some different salts and optionally essential oils. And also you can add some dried petals just to make it even that much more luxurious. And you could use either dried petals you dried yourself, or you could buy some dried petals. It doesn't take much at all for this project. And then you can just put it in a cute little mason jar and it is all ready to be gifted. Number 3 is some clay earrings. There are tons of different types of clay earrings that you could make. I do have this tutorial on using some dried materials to make an impression on the clay, and it is super simple to do. There are numerous materials, pretty much endless possibilities for how you could do this. You could also do different shapes than I did, like circles or squares, and it is totally up to you and how creative you want to get with it. But this is another super cheap and super quick project that you could make for your mom for Mother's Day. And you can also pick whichever colors. It's just a super great one, and also one she can wear and use all the time. Number 4 is a floating frame. These are super fun to make. One of my favorite projects, and to make it even extra special, you could pick out your mom's favorite quote or a word that she really likes and add that to the front. You could also go and find her favorite flowers or her favorite colors of flowers, and you could press them yourself and just make it really extra special, and it turns out to be a really nice piece of art that you can hang up on the wall. Super pretty and just super fun project to make as well. This last one, number 5, is a clay jewelry dish, and just like all the other ones, it's super customizable. This is probably the cheapest one of all. You just need some clay, and you could pick out your mom's favorite colors and just make a really nice dish for her to put on her counter to hold all of her jewelry in. Alright, I hope these ideas really helped you out and you got some inspiration and some insight and you're all ready to make your mom a great Mother's Day gift. If you have any questions, please leave them down below in the comment section and I will be sure to get back to you. Thank you all so much for watching this video, and if you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. I will see you soon for the next one. Bye guys!